Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with BSK. So in today's video, we are going to learn about application security groups and how they simplify network security management in Azure. So in previous sessions, we learned network security groups at NIC level, subnet level, and treated architecture we have discussed, right? So in today's session, so we are going to simplify NSG rules, okay? So as our environments are grows, so managing NSG rules using individual IP address become difficult and time consuming. That's where application security groups come into the picture. Okay, as ASG allows us to group virtual machines based on their application roles, like such as web servers and also application servers, database servers, and also like instead of creating security rules for individual IP address, okay, we can create rules based on application groups and also making network security easier to manage and scale. Okay, so in this demo we will create application security groups, assign virtual machines to them, and configure NSG rules using an ASGs. And also by the end of the video you will understand how enterprises use ASGs to build scalable and secure Azure networking solutions. Okay, let's get started. Okay, today's video, application security groups. Okay, so here it's like a not alternative of NSG. It's a part of NSG. Okay, it's not altered to NSG. It's a part of NSG. Okay, and also it supports grouping within VNet. Okay, within the same VNet only it is going to like work on it. If you are working on different VNets and different subnets, it will not work. If you are using the same VNet in same VNet with multiple subnets, it is going to work. Even though your virtual network peering happen, that also will not support here application security groups. Okay, so what we are going to discuss more about that. Let's elaborate more into application security groups. Okay, what I'm going to discuss today, for example, we have um, one web tier will be there. Okay, there is a one client is there. Okay, for this client, this is one web tier, and also this is one web tier, and this is app tier, and this is DB tier. Okay, on top of it, we have load balancer will be there. Okay, so load balance service will be there. Like this, another project also will be there. Okay, let's take another project also. Okay, so here also let's assume. Okay, let's assume um, we are this is in same layer, same type. For example, we can call this one as, okay, web tier. Okay, and another one is this is in another tier. This is app tier. Okay, this is app tier. This is app tier. Okay, so here in a project we have like web servers will be there, app servers will be there, and also DB servers will be there. And like this, there is a one external load balancer will be there. We are going to expose that our application in external, so we are using load balancer service. We will discuss later. Okay, this load balancer topic. Okay, so here all these servers we are managing the same VNet. Okay, same VNet, and different subnets we are managing. For example, here 3 subnets we are managing, and here 3 subnets we are managing. Like this, another project, 3 subnets we are managing the same virtual network. Okay, so like this, we are going. For example, we have 3 subnets we are getting. Maybe some in one subnet we can get 250 machines or 251 machines. With the 3 subnets, we are going to create some 50 machines. Like this, here 3 subnets we are going to manage 3 NSGs. If we are going with subnet level NSG, so we need to manage 3 network security groups. Here also 3 subnet network security groups, and another one 3 subnet network security groups. So we have to manage. It will be some complex interrupt will be there. Okay, even though all are in same virtual networks, we are going to like write different rules regarding that. Okay, instead of to write different to manage different NSG rules, we can manage with single NSG. We can able to manage with all these servers. Okay, we can able to write all these NSG rules in single NSG, and we can manage using ASG. Okay, let me explain in detail again. Okay, what I'm going to perform, let's take here. We have, okay, we have one project. Okay, here we have one. Okay, so like this, we have one VNet. Okay, let's write all are in same VNet. This all servers. Let's write this one VNet, and here we have web subnet 01. Okay, web sub 01, and here we have web sub 02. Here we have app sub app subnet okay, and also we have DB subnet. Okay, DB subnet is there. Okay, so here in one subnet we have one web virtual machine is there. Okay, web 01 VM, and here we have web 02, and here we have app 01. So here we have DB01. Okay, so to manage this all expose our rules, put whatever security rules we have to manage. So we have to manage 4 NSGs. We have to create. If we are going with subnet level NSG, so we have to manage 4 NSG rules. We have to manage. Okay, with these 4 subnets. Okay, so instead of 4 NSG rules, I am going to manage with single NSG rule, and by using ASG. What I am going to perform here, let me take one ASG here. Okay, here one more ASG, and here one more ASG I will take. Okay, so I am going to assign this with this subnet, and I am going to assign this with this subnet, and this NSG with this subnet, and this ASG with this subnet. Okay, so here I will call this one as web ASG. Okay, this one I will call app ASG, and here I will call DB ASG. Okay, like this way I will call it here. Okay, so by using this I will group it. For example, we have one subnet, we here have multiple. Here I'm just taking one VM. Maybe there will be some 10 VMs will be there. Okay, here 10 VMs will be there. Maybe some 100 subnets will be there with the same VNet. So we don't need to write 100 NSG groups, 100 network security groups. No need to create. So simply we can group using application security groups, and we can able to assign those subnets in the application security group level, and we can able to write our rules. What I'm going to perform, let's show you what I'm going to write it here. Okay, first one, source I will put any. Okay, for this web machines anyone can able to access. Okay, destination I will call as web ASG. Okay, I will group these two machines, two subnets in single ASG. I will group it. Otherwise, we need to create two NSG rules. Okay, instead I will create single NSG, single application security group. I will manage it, and destination port number 80 and action yellow I will mention. Okay, so this is about one rule. I'm going to write it. Okay, within network security group, only in the same network security group, I will write another rule. Okay, another rule I will write it here. What I am going to write, I will not create new subnet. In the same subnet, I am going to write it. Source is web here. From any app server, it's going to access from web server only. So source is web server. So whatever the servers in web ASC, so those should have access to app server. Okay, destination should be app ASG. Okay, then port is 8080 and action yellow. Okay, this is I am going to perform. And another one I will going to write in DB level. Source is app ASG, destination is DB ASG, and port is 3306 to access MySQL and action yellow. So this is I am going to perform as part of this architecture diagram. So here I am going to almost reducing two NSGs, three NSGs I am going to minimizing here. With a single NSG, I am going to manage all my rules. Okay, by using application security groups, I am going to manage all these things in single NSG. So I will show you in the demo what I am going to perform. Okay, let's jump into the portal and let's start creation. What I am going to perform here, I will create as part of this demo. I will create one virtual network. On the virtual network, I will create four subnets. Under four subnets, I will create four virtual machine servers, and I will assign those machines to application security groups, and I will create NSGs with application security group level, and I am going to perform. Very initial we are going to set up. There will be some work will be there. With this is one time activity we are going to perform. So next time we are going to manage this all the rules very easily. Okay, let's jump to the portal and let's start creation virtual machines. Okay, very first I am going to create a resource group. Okay, let me call RG03. Okay, then we will create, then type virtual machine, virtual networks. Click on create. Let's call this as VNet. Go to next. Okay, here let me call this one as web subnet. Save it. Add one more subnet. Web subnet 02. Okay, add it. Let's edit this one as web subnet 01. naming convention we can follow. Okay, app subnet 01, and let's add one more subnet, app subnet, and another one I'm going to add db subnet. Okay, add it and review and create. Once virtual machine create, let's create let's create virtual machines as well. Okay, virtual machines. Okay, let's create. Okay, virtual machine. Let's create this in org03. I will call this as web01, and availability zone not required, and standard is fine, and this size is fine, hardware size, and here I will give password is admin. Okay, you can give a password, and I am disabling inbound rules. Okay, I am going to click next disk. Here disk is HDD is fine. Go to networking. As part of this, I am going to attach web subnet 01 and network security groups. I will not create this time. I'm just disabling that one. Okay, next manage, next monitoring, next advanced. As part of this, I will run some runtime script. Okay, shebang I have to enter. Yes. Okay. These all things I have already discussed in the previous sessions. If you have any doubts on these things or not, you can just look on previous sessions and you can get clarity. Okay, why I'm going to write this one. To access the server, to access my web server, I'm going to install Nginx on my server so that I can able to access my web page. Okay, just click review and create. Okay, create. Meanwhile, let's go to the again virtual machines and let's queue this as web02, and availability zone is not required, and standard is fine, and password is admin. Okay, then give the password. Okay, and I'm disabling this port again. Click next disk. It is fine. Go to networking. Let's select another subnet 02, disabling NSG here, and I don't require public IP this time. I don't want to access. So, okay, next management and the review. Let's review and create. Okay, Let's go to virtual machines again. Let's create app server in the app subnet. Create virtual machine. Select your resource group and app server, and this one over infrastructure redundancy is fine and standard, and here password, and they can give me the admin here, and just again mismatching the password. Okay, disabling the port, click next disk, and standard HTTP is fine. Next networking, app subnet this time. Okay, so I don't require any public IP and disabling this NSG as well, and let's review and create. Create. And one more virtual machine I need to create, DB server. Go to the virtual machines. Let's create. Select your resource group and give the name as DB01, and redundancy is fine, standard is fine, and here password, username is the admin, and give the password. Yes, mismatching. Okay, I am disabling this port again. Dash disk. Okay, shared is fine. Networking side to DB subnet. Okay, DB subnet, and not required. And this one I'm disabling this one, and just hit prevent create. Create. Meanwhile, while deploying these machines, let's jump into application security groups. We have application security groups is there. Application security groups. Click on that. We can create as part of this demo, as we discussed. We are going to create three application security groups. Okay, let's set up that as well. As part of this demo, what I have created here. So total, I have created one VNet. So let me show you. Okay, one VNet is done, and the subnets is done, and this all things are done. Okay, this all things are done. Let me set up. Okay, let me set up. Okay, ASGs. Okay, now let's create it. Click on it. I will name resource group. I will select here. I will name it as web ASG. Okay, so let's review and create. Okay, create it. And then you can create application sector groups. Create. You can select your resource group and name app ASG, and you can click review and create. Okay, create it. Let's create one more ASG as part of this demo. DB ASG. Create 1003 DB ASG, and let's review and create. Okay. As part of this demo, I have done with this setup as well. Okay. So here this one is done, this one is done, and this one is done. Okay. Then I have done with this one done, this one done, this one done. Then what else remaining? And this one also done. Let me go ahead and validate all the things. Okay. Let's go virtual machines, and we have 4 servers. Okay. Then application security groups, we have 3. Okay, we have 3 application security groups. Now what I'm going to perform, we have to set up application security groups in the machine level only. So that is the one-time activity you have to perform whenever you want to attach network security group to particular machine. So you have to go to each virtual machine. Then we have to add this application security groups. Then only we can able to associate that. This is the manual stuff. For example, we have some 1,000 machines is there. So we have to go into every 1,000 machine and we have to assign this one. Absolutely no, we can create scripts and we can able to at a time we can able to attach that. Okay, let's go into the virtual machines. Okay, very first you can go web server 01, you can go, and here go scroll down. There is application security groups will be there. Click on that application security groups, and here there is an option called add application security groups, and here you can just scroll and you can select your ASG and click on add. Okay, same thing we have to perform for rest of the machines as well. Go to F02 as well, and this one also we are attaching to web ASG only. Go to application security groups. Here add application security groups. So just select that web ASG and add it. And we have to go back again and go to app server. Here app server also we have to add it. Okay, application security groups. This is the process we have to follow every time. It is a manual way we are performing right now. Okay, and app ASG. Okay, add it. Once it is added, you can go back and DB server last one. So you can scroll down application security groups. Okay, you can just click on add it. Add application security groups. So once this one is done, so we have done all the prerequisites. Okay, so here we have attached a tag. We have every server we have attached a ASC tag. Okay, by using ASC tag we are going to write our rules in the NSG. Okay, application security groups is not alternative to NSG. ASG is a part of NSG. We are minimizing the rules. We are managing the network security groups rules easily. We are managed by using application security groups. Okay, let's set up network security groups as well. Okay, network security groups. Okay, click on this one and create it. So you can just select your resource group and let me call this as NSG. Okay, let's review and create. Click on create. Once this one is create, earlier how we have defined the rules, and now how we are defining the rules, we can clearly see. Okay, go to the resource. Okay, click on inbound security rules. Okay, here we have to click on edit. Okay, as part of this demo, we have to add these things. Okay, source is any. Okay, here source is any and source port is okay, fine. Destination should be application security groups. Okay, here you need to select your application security group and web ASG. Okay, this one we are going to allow port number 80. Okay, and here just add allow 80. Okay, by using this one, whatever the servers we have associated to this particular application security groups all have access to this particular rule. Okay, this particular port number 80 enable to all the servers inside application security groups. That is where we are going to like minimizing all the rules. Click and add. Okay, add it. Once it is added, okay, we can go into the virtual machines. Okay, you can go one of the servers. So we have added two machines inside ASGs, right? So you can go to the web01. Okay, anyway we'll not able to see that. Why? Because I will show you. Okay, let me go ahead into, we are going to let's complete the rules. Okay, then we can associate that. Let's click on add one more rule. Okay, here source is again application security group and source is for this particular rule. Next rule should be, source should be this one and destination should be app NSG. Okay, web ASG, and then destination should be also application security group, and here we need to select app ASG, and here port number 8080 we are going to allowing it. Here allow 8080. Okay, let's click on add it. Let's add one more rule. Okay, add it. Here this time for DB server application security group again, and you can just find your yeah, from app ASG, and then from destination applicant security group again, and here this DB ASG is the destination and port number 3306. Okay, 3306. Here we are going to like yellow 3306. Okay, click on add it. Okay, as part of this, we are going to add one more rule. We should not able to access from web machine. We should not grant access to DB machine. Let's add that rule as well. We are going to deny all the things. And here application security group and source is web ASG and all the port and destination should be application security group and DB ASGs. Okay, DB ASGs, and here port should be all. Okay, all the ports, not only single destination port, is all, and we are going to like deny. Okay, let's give this as a deny rule. Okay, you can just click on add it. Okay, once it is added, so we have to associate this with network interface level or subnet. Earlier this all the rules we are going to like created for one subnet. We have created one NSG. Now we have like created all the rules in single NSG. We are maintaining by using this one. Okay, this is the advantage of ASG. Okay, by using ASG we are going to like associate all the machines with the particular ASG, and we are going to tag with them, and we can able to utilize in the NSG. That is where we are going to like advantage will happen. Go to the subnets. Okay, here click on associate. Okay, you have to associate web01 first. Click on OK. Once it is added, then add rest of the subnets as well. Okay, associate. Okay, this one app subnet 02, web subnet 02, we have to associate. Then you have to click on associate. Okay, then app subnet, click on OK, and one more DB subnet also we have to associate. Once it is complete, okay, once complete, you can go and check in the machines. Okay, go to the network settings. Here you can able to see the rules. Okay, you can scroll down. See, here we have created attach it to subnet web 01 or web 701, and we can able to see all the rules. Okay, whatever the server is required, that particular rule will work here as part of this. Okay, we can able to see associated subnet and impact is this one, and everything we can able to see it. Same thing we can check for web server 02 as well. Okay, all the servers, rest of the servers as well, and you can able to check it. Okay, you can go into network settings, scroll down, you can able to see this. If I to access this web server, we have enabled the port also, this one, right? You can just take this one and use this by using that particular network security group rules portals. You can able to launch the web page. Okay, so like this way we are going to like perform ASGs. ASG is like a not altered to NSG. It is a part of NSG. We are going to like reducing minimize rules. Okay, so that's it for today's session. So like in this session, like we successfully learned how to configure and use Azure application security groups, like to simplify network management in Azure. So here key takeaways from this video will be ASG groups virtual machines based on application rules. Okay, so here we are going to like reducing the complexity of NSG rule management. Okay, here eliminating the need to manage individual IP address. Earlier we are going to like add a IP address, subnet level, and also like network interface level. So those and all we are going to like reducing by using ASGs, like, and also like improving scalability and maintainability as well. So it's like this particular concept is going to commonly utilize in enterprise level Azure environments. Okay, so it's like Azure especially like useful in multi-thread architecture, like where web applications, web app, and database servers require controlled communication, like while keeping security policies to simple and easy to manage. We are going to like utilize Azure rules. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please like the video, like please share your questions if you have any doubts. I will respond to your query as early as possible. Okay, please subscribe to like Tech with BSK channel for more Azure DevOps, Kubernetes, Terraform, and cloud security tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the